You are going to love the 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, 4-wheel ABS, carpeted floor mats, cargo mat, chrome exhaust finishers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.